Salutare, oameni buni, și bine v-am regăsit la un nou minunat episod din The Wolf Manga. Hai să continuăm. A venit show asta la noi. Nu știu încă despre ce, dar de control. A grăbit.
Big B!
Snow?
Come with me.
Ce s-a întâmplat? Știți că în episodul trecut
Snow?
nu ne-am uitat acolo pentru că
Snow?
What?
să vă țin în suspans.
Sorry, What is it?
Just slow down.
No, keep up. We need to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
E dimineața, oameni buni.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
La acolo o jachetă. Că trebuia să ne uităm. This monster. Doi. Asta e moarte, bă.
You knew this girl?
Nu sunteți spus?
She's
Asta e
not a
moartă?
Mundy, right? Who was
Ce
she?
naibului, bă?
I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown.
She was a prostitute.
Really?
I never caught her real name.
Oh,
Yeah. The woodsman. He attacked her. I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
no. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
So, tell me what happened. Every detail.
I wish there was more to tell. I left the office, walked past the security desk. Luckily, he was asleep.
Grimble.
Yeah. Then I opened the door.
Degeaba discutați voi dacă nu
I
avem
found
timp.
her. Like this. I came to get you right away.
And that's all.
That's it. Sorry. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. Have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Strange God.
Ce
What did
scări.
this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it. What is?
Ia. E ceva acolo.
It's
Un...
a ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
Neither
Poate
do
că un
I.
mesaj la detectiv. Oameni de la detectiv de la criminal. Detectiv. pe noi. Deci, băiatul.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
We still have some time. Should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Cine a dat opțiunea să nu... Investigăm, dar mă rog. Hai să văd să investigăm toate ce avem. O să uităm mai bine acolo. Dacă avem... Acum și mâna.
Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour maybe.
Ia-le până mea. Hai să vedem. Aici ce avem?
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Am luat încă un indiciu. Nu știu ce am putea să găsim în coșul de gunoi, dar mă rog.
Just some loose trash.
Ce avem?
Yep, more blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, and left the trail I found earlier. Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough. Surprised the garbage men can even find their way here.
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Big Pete, do you have any idea what's going on? How did this happen? Why her?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
The victim. She could be a symbol for something.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that. I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Și să vedem ce se întâmplă în continuare.
What are you, blind? What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff. Do whatever the fuck you like.
Ce crezi, mă? Dacă să dăm mai să venim masta, mă?
Fucker.
Accuse me of impropriety. Yes, I see. Because you were the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I
Don't
do.
interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep things running smoothly around here. This is a disaster. Who else is to blame if not you? See, even Bigby agrees with me, as incompetent as he is. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life and the safety of the entire community. Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing.
Yeah.
Mai trebuie timp.
Was she,
Mai trebuie timp, deșteptul de
She
pește.
was worried about a money situation.
Well, this is just wonderful. Not only is a fable killed, but it was a fable hooker to boot. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of Fabletown knowing there's a killer amongst us. Snow.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase? Don't bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right. Do your job, Sheriff, or we'll find someone who can.
You know what?
Stop. We'll get on it right away, sir. You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and waited.
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
You don't have to say it. It would have been better to have more to offer. Get our ducks in a row. Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke away.
What an asshole.
Yep. I was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? That doesn't sound right.
Is he gone?
Yes, thankfully. Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe.
E vede și de... E vede mișului. E vede mișului.
How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Fuck off, Buffkin.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help. I really have to get this appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything. Hello, Vivian?
Lampa
Hi,
fermecată
this is
a
Snow
lui
White, Mr.
Aladdin. Lampa fermecată a lui Aladdin.
Yes, that's right.
Ia bagă-mă aici. Ia bagă.
Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps.
Ia uite-te, bă, tu mai atent.
Yes, I mean, I question it only due to the amount.
Oglinjoară. Cine e cea
Hey,
mai frumoasă
Magic
din
Mirror.
țară?
I got a question.
You know the rule.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Ia.
Show me the woodsman.
Ce mai face prietenul nostru?
Where is he?
Important
What you
este
see is
este în
complete.
viață,
The
iar
woodsman
asta
stumbles down
e
the
bine
street.
pentru noi.
No shit. Which street?
I'm sorry, Bigby. I can only show you what can't be seen.
Asta fetei ăleia.
Show me Snow White.
Not much of a request. She's in this very room.
I don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Da, că nu știu.
Show me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking!
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay. Thank you.
Auzi, mai înțeleg de toți. Asta mă duci încă. Unde vă... Nu merg mai ce de fapt. Direct cu mâna.
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
Cool.
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
Ce aici?
I think her name was
Uite
Red.
aici, e?
She didn't make it out.
Ăla e la pe care
Red Riding
ne-a
Hood's
aruncat
knight and
pe noi
shabby
degeaba
armor.
la începutul
The
jocului.
woodsman?
Yep, and his axe.
După fiul care suntem noi.
There's me. Not a good day.
O fetiță
I'm
frumoasă.
pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
A băcat zăpada cu 7 piciute.
Dwarves.
Yeah,
Less
it's
said about
like
that,
this
the
one.
better. Beauty in happier days. And her man, Beast.
Funny.
Colin and his brothers.
Bă,
Haven't seen Badger around for a while.
o să
He likes his privacy, I think.
Wish Toad would like
Nu
his a
sunt
bit
pe
more.
versiunea asta. Se pare mi se vede
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss.
Deci,
His
ce se întâmplă,
finest
bă?
moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Bă, dar
Well,
vrem să
maybe
apăs
it's time that
opțiunea aia.
changed.
Așa că fă. Uite acolo.
I've seen this before. This
That's
symbol
me.
on the man's clothes, it's the same as the rings.
Could be her father or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Și că... Ok, opțiune.
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help. Maybe it will brighten your shitty mood a little.
Unlikely. Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad.
He probably wrote this in himself.
Bine, uite, perfect.
This is the one.
Asta.
Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name?
Perfect.
I'll go look it
Să
up.
din prima.
All in
Să
Lyra.
pune din prima, pentru că
Means every
acolo
kind of fur in
așa m-a dat
German.
el.
Donkey skin.
Yes. What does it say?
Donkey Skin Girl, also known as Donkey Skin, also known as Ass Skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin, we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom. Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty. And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please. And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than we...
Name was Faith.
Yeah.
We should talk to the husband.
You think he did it?
For this sort of thing, it's usually the person who knew them best.
Or it's someone completely random.
Nu fac nimic cărțile astea. Hai să le tragem și noi pe tot. Nu tragem. Opa!
What the fuck is this supposed to mean?
Nu spune niciun cărțile alea. Nu știu ce ține. Oh, super! Putem să arătăm indiciul oglindei.
You know what this means? Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not when you've been so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
You know what this means?
Tarot is a backwards art. I wouldn't put too much stock in its wisdom, Bigby.
Not when you've been so helpful.
Prevision's muddy. I'm as clear as a window.
Asta nu merge. Hai grăbite. Grăbite. Grăbite cum ești tu. Mă rog, să ne uităm aici câte dată. De ce ne mai uităm, nu știu.
Nice hat.
Nu știu ceva, nu importăm pe aici. Regăsim noi aia, dar... E ceva și aici. E ceva
What's it say about that?
It says prickle bit in an older elfish hand.
What's prickle bit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone blessed that thing.
I only translate.
What's that?
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
Not quite who I'm looking for.
Roțu. După. Deci nu am să ce să mă fac în dată. Nu știu.
Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad.
He probably wrote this in himself.
Buffkin, translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad.
He probably wrote this in himself.
Ce să... am apăsat din greșeală pe pauză. Nu închide că nu am ce să-mi facem. Poate deja prin spate? Prin spate nu văd nicio opțiune. Oare la lampul asta pe mâncate? Băi, țin să ieșim? Nu.
Worth a try.
Nimic. Păi și ce facem? Putem cu opțiuni aici.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia. Who knows where they were before then? Or what he did to get them.
Nu dau timp să vorbesc și eu cu mine. Stai cu opțiuni aici. Nu avem ce să-mi facem. Să ne ducem un pic la oglindă, vedeți? Și un pic la oglindă. Oglindă să-mi fac ceva? Nu cred. Nu să vin cu ea.
Mirror, mirror, blah blah able, blah 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 about this fable.
Of which fable do you wish to know?
Uite-o.
Show me faith.
Through powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Show me Faith's father, the old king. Guess that crosses him off the suspect list. He's a prince, I think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
Oh, cine-i dorit?
What's he been doing?
Prince Lawrence.
Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Nobody right now.
Anything we can use?
Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on, we're going over there. Sorry, I have to get that. Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby, it's for you.
Bigby, it's me, Toad. You there?
Sorry about the car.
Yeah, it's fine. Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over it, Bigby, before he... Hang on.
Ce facem, mă?
Hurry!
Ce a făcut, mă?
What was that about?
Hard to
Păi
say.
ce Dumnezeu face, mă?
Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know, I couldn't really tell.
Mergem la ăla.
But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment.
Bă, asta chiar că m-a
Toad might
băgat în
have to
ceață.
wait.
Whenever you're ready.
Serios, mă puneți pe mine să... Ia uite, mă, cavalerul. Așa, mergi tu până. Nu stai cavalerul și da.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know, it It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him.
Trebuie
Could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Bigby! Is she right? Has a bloke upstairs going to do all the woodsman's
You
things?
think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Ok, oameni buni, cam atât și cu acest minunat episod din The Old Manga. Sper că v-a plăcut. Dacă v-a plăcut, nu uitați să apăsați și acel minunat buton de like și o să ne vedem data viitoare. Și nu uitați să lăsați în comentarii unde vreți să mergeți, pentru că chiar nu știu. Ăla ne-a sunat de urgență și ci că trebuie să mergem mai întâi acolo și toate alea și i-am culcat-o, cred. Și da, oameni buni, o să ne vedem data viitoare.